Peace and blessings, community. I'm super excited because tomorrow is the new moon and we are officially going to be rolling out ZEN by Yoni Love Herbals, and it's been a long time baking. So this video is going to be in a complete reveal of the brand new box I just got in. I'm super excited because it's all of our inventory that's going to be released into ZEN by Yoni Love Herbals, and then I will come and do another video that shows how I use this and setting up my house during the winter solstice and setting up the shop space. So without further ado, let's just jump into this. See this big old box? Whoa. Ah! All right, so I'm sitting here struggling with this tape because, baby, they tape this damn good. Yay! Okay. Oh my goodness, y'all, look. Okay. Ooh. All right, let me get a better position. Okay, so we have these amazing, and when I say that the smell is so freaking pungent, we have these amazing 9-inch sage bundles. Baby, when I tell you that I always use my 9-inch sage like to cleanse my home and to cleanse the shop space each morning, I go through all of the products. I go through all of the crystals. I go from the front door to the back door and back to the front. As you know, I have taken a house and turned it into a shop. So for me, these 9-inch sage bundles come so in handy because they do not burn out quick. The other thing that I love about them is they are long enough to be able to put onto a holder. Now, this is one of the things that we'll be releasing. So I love these particular holders because you have the incense holder in the middle, but we also have the sage, like where you could put the sage at in order to hold it. Oh, but wait a minute. While I'm doing it, let me light the incense, which of course will also be in our ZEN by Yoni Love Herbals collection starting tomorrow. Okay. And it's actually my favorite scent. You know, everything that I sell, I'm kind of biased because it's things that I use or things that I love. And I don't know if that's normal with most like creators, but it's normal for me. Everything that I sell, y'all, is stuff that I've either used or that I love and I put in my space. So you don't have to worry about me advertising something that I don't use. All right, so I, of course, I'm using our little incense holder. I have another one just like this sitting next to me. So this is one of the things that'll be going up in the shop. But these are our 9-inch sage bundles. So if you are a sage girl, make sure that you go and check for them. Also, OM freaking FG. Oh my goodness. So I have been searching high and low for a distributor that I felt like I would be able to trust with my sage because, okay, not all sage is created equal. And if you are a sage girl, then you know what I'm talking about. Not all sage is created equal. And I finally found a distributor that has quality sage bundles that have quality rose petals that I freaking love. So let's open up the box. Or the package, because the box is already open. Like, what are you talking about? Anyway, let's open this bad boy up so I can let you see. These are 4-inch sage bundles. But this is going to be really helpful for your chakra clearing. So, Yoni Love Herbals has a bunch of products that are... Damn, this is aromatic. Okay, anyway, Yoni Love Herbals has a bunch of products that are going to be releasing dealing with chakra cleansing during this winter solstice, and it's really, really important because if you are not grounding you're safe. If you are not grounding yourself in this time where there's so much going on energetically in the world, you need to be. So for me, I like to set the tone in my home, but I also do a lot of chakra meditation and chakra grounding. And we got some goodies that's going to be releasing later on in the month. I can't spill it right now because y'all already know how I feel about releasing everything before it's actually birthed. But check this out. So we have the red for the sacral chakra. For the root chakra. We have the orange for the sacral. We have the yellow for the solar plexus. We have the green. Oh, the yellow, and then this is the green. I'm sorry. I don't know if you can see this. 2 different petals. But the green for the heart, of course. And the blue for the throat. The purple, and then the violet, so for the crown and for the third eye in the crown chakra. Sorry y'all, I can't hardly talk. Mercury in retrograde starts in 2 days, so y'all already know your girl's a Gemini. Anyway, without further ado, so we have these freaking sage bundles. I'm so freaking excited. What else do we have? Oh yes, this is the favorite incense that I just lit. It's Nag Champa. But I freaking love these incense because they are so aromatic. Like, you burn one incense and it lasts for the whole entire day. So I'm excited about having these, like, for mass, you know, sell for my community. Because whenever I have clients who come in and they walk into my space, they be like, ooh, what's that burning? They always, like, take note of the incense that are in my space. So I'm excited to be able to offer it to the customers when they come to the shop, as well as any Yoni steamers, and of course y'all who are in my online community. So I did get 2 of those. Also, I got a big old bag of Palo Santos. And if you know your girl, you already know I love Palo Santos. Palo Santos, if you are not familiar, is also a huge cleanser of space. And it's like a wood, but when you burn it, it's a sweet wood. And what's dope is, I don't know what, let me find it. What's dope is that we also have these chakra ones. So these are going to be going in chakra packages. And so each of the Palo Santos is actually painted at the tip with watercolor for you to be able to burn in your home and focus your energy on that particular chakra. So this one goes like for the solar plexus. We have the blue, the light blue, which goes for your throat chakra, the darker blue, which goes for your third eye, so forth and so on. So I have all the different colors in here. And the customers love these because they just pick up the Palo Santos that they're working on ground, especially like when I'm doing clearing of their energy through our womb conversation exercises. When they're doing their Yoni steam, we talk about the chakra that's most likely blocked in order for them to be able to manifest what they want. And so I think during this winter solstice, I'm probably gonna be doing some more vlogs, a little more in relation to like clearing your energy, clearing your chakra so that you can manifest what you want, especially going into this new year, which I know all of y'all are probably setting your intentions on what you want to manifest. So anyway, so we got these Palo Santos sticks. I freaking love this. This was a 5-pound bag. Also, I did get some plain 4-inch bundles that we are going to be having in our jars as well. And then last but not least, I think this is probably the thing that I'm most excited about because it's my first time trying it. So I will be giving y'all an honest review, but it's the Goloka Chakra. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. Incense with pranic energy, I believe it says. And so there's like mantras on the box. The whole vibe of this is just like really holistic and wholesome. So let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, let's see. Oh no, I'm ripping up this pretty box. Why didn't you just get the scissors? Okay. Oh, y'all look. All right. Y'all don't understand how excited I am about like all of these things coming in. Like y'all really don't understand. Like, I really do have been stalking the UPS guy. Like, when is my ish coming, dude? Ooh, okay. So, each of these. Oh, so this is like. So, there's like 1 scent that deals with grounding of the 7 chakras. Ooh, and there are. Oh, my goodness. This is so freaking aromatic. Goodness. Am I going to get a chance to be able to sell any of these to y'all? Because I might end up burning them off of my damn self before we even get a chance to sell them. I'm looking for how many sticks come in here. I think when I was reading on the site, it was saying that there's going to be like 20, I think, sticks in here. But I'm super excited because we got plenty of boxes in here for that. Also, we do have, as I mentioned, the incense holders / sage holders. And we have a cute couple of other ones that are available on the site. So this one is another really cute design that's available. the same fill. And then we have these little mini dishes that I feel are really, really freaking cute. We have blue, pink, and green, but we only have 3. So if you want it, you better hurry up and go get it, if you know what I mean. And then we have 2 of these. And these are also incense holders as well. I don't know if you can see the small little hole in it inside. Hopefully you can see it right here. And then there you could put like the sage bundle on top to be able to hold. And then I have these little mini sage dishes as well. So I freaking love these. So all of these will be going up on the site. And then the other thing that I really wanted to show y'all are these imported incense that I brought back when I came from Africa. Now, y'all know that I go over there often, but I went kind of recent and I brought back these like particular incense back, and they are so freaking aromatic. They're like soaked and then dried in the oil of the scent, and so they come like really crystallized in this little jar. And we have only this one size for this one, but then we have 2 other scents or incense. And so this first one, you get about 5 or 6 sticks in there, but they will fill your home, okay? And then this is the second size, and these 2 sizes are only available for these 2 incense. And this one is more of a like kind of oiled base one. And so you would just scoop it out, and I'll do a separate video for this, but you would just scoop it out and put it on top of your charcoal, which it comes with that in the package when you buy it. And then it comes with 1 charcoal. So if you want more, you would be able to get it off the site. And then we have these, last but not least, these really cute incense as well. And this one is more like a woodsy tone. It's not like woodsy as in like it smells like wood, but it's not like so perfumed or aromatic. It's like more of an aromatic than it is like perfumed. So these are the 3 sizes. So we have 3 sizes of incense that are going up on the site. We have the sage, the Palo Santos sticks of the 2 different kinds. And then we have the holders. So if you know, like I know, you better hurry up and go get it. So I'm super excited. Uploading to the site tonight. We'll be launching up on the 12th. Y'all know that tomorrow is a new moon. It's the last new moon of the year, but it's also a powerful ass new moon because it's the 12/12 portal. So I'm going to come and do a whole nother video later on tonight all about the portal of 12/12 and like really explaining that energy in detail so that we can really jump into it and make sure we set our space really good. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching.